Bananas are delicious and convenient snacks, but they're also great for your skin because they contain nutritious vitamins like A, B, and E. Along with their vitamin content, bananas also contain acids that help exfoliate dead skin. Using only 3 ingredients, you can create a quick face mask that will rejuvenate and hydrate your dull, dry skin. Now let's create the mask mixture. Break a ripe banana up into small pieces and mush it in a bowl with a spoon or fork until all of the lumps are smoothed out. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir all of the ingredients until they are combined completely. The banana provides nutrients for the skin, the honey provides moisture, and the lemon juice acts as a natural astringent and exfoliates. Apply the mask to your face. Rub the banana mask onto your face using your fingers to massage the mixture all over your skin. And then leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. And then rinse your face with lukewarm water, a washcloth, and no soap after the mask has soaked into your skin for 10 to 20 minutes. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless.